First, we open the official website of 360proxy. Then click Register to register your account. Click the Login button to log in. Return to the homepage of official website to download 360proxy software. Open the software, click Proxy List, select IP country, state, city or ISP, zip code, IP, etc. Click the Search button to get the IP list of the target region. In the obtained IP address list, select an IP address and right-click it. In the right-click list, click the port to extract the IP address. Click the Port Forward List button at the bottom of the client. In the pop-up window, you can view the extracted agent information and click the Copy button. Sign up and log on to the Incognition website, then download the software. Open the Incognition software and go to the Proxy page. Select SOX5 as the connection type. Paste the local IP and port into the Proxy IP port field. Then enter your username and password. Click Check Proxy to test whether the proxy connection is successful. Successful proxy connections and IP address information are displayed. Then click Create Profile. Finally, click the Start button. When you are done, you can successfully use the browser.